In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use the Dext integration with Xero. This integration can streamline your accounting processes, making the day-to-day management of your finances that much easier. Now, let's dive right in to get your Dext connected with Xero without any hassle. We'll start by heading over to Xero's login page. Once you're there, simply enter your email and password to access your Xero account. After logging in, you should find yourself on the dashboard. From here, take a glance around to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't done so before. Next, we're going to focus on the connected apps icon, usually found on your dashboard. Clicking on this will take you to a section that highlights all of your existing connections. Here, we're looking to expand our toolkit, so let's move on to click Find More Apps on the Xero App Store. This store is a gateway to a breadth of apps that can enhance your Xero experience. Once inside the App Store, locate the search bar. Go ahead and type in Dext. This will bring up the Dext app listing that we want. Upon finding it, simply click on the app to view its details. Now you'll see an option to get this app. By selecting this, you're telling Xero that you want Dext to be part of your accounting suite. You'll then be prompted to choose which organization to connect if you manage multiple. Make sure you select the correct organization to avoid any mishaps. Once you've chosen your organization, the next step is to grant access by clicking Allow Access. This is a key step where you're authorizing Dext to interact with your Xero data, so ensure you're comfortable granting these permissions. After this, you'll be asked to specify the type of account you want to use. Make a selection that best suits your needs, as this will help tailor the integration to your specific accounting style. Following this selection, there will be a prompt to enter your phone number. This is likely a security measure or for account verification. Now you'll notice a sign up option. Click on this button, which is crucial to finalizing your Dext integration setup with Xero. With that step done, you are all set. Your Xero is now successfully integrated with Dext. Connecting Dext with Xero opens the door to more streamlined financial workflows, allowing you to harness the power of both systems efficiently. Should you encounter any issues during the setup, remember you can refer back to this guide for a quick recap. Congratulations on setting up your new integration, and enjoy the enhanced capabilities for managing your financial data seamlessly.